Can't dog people and cat people just all get along?
At Sunset Hills Subaru,
We can.
At Sunset Hills Subaru.
Hi, I'm Jim, aka Jimbo. I work at Sunset Hills Subaru, and I'm a dog person. I like selling Subarus and putting cars in people's driveways.
At Sunset Hills Subaru.
I'm Aaron, aka Stone Castle. I work at Sunset Hills Subaru, and I'm a cat person. I like playing video games, climbing miniature mountains, and selling cars to all people.
At Sunset Hills Subaru.
I'm a cat person, and Sunset Hills Subaru is for me.
I'm a dog person, and I love Sunset Hills Subaru.
I'm a cat lady, and I love Sunset Hills Subaru.
At Sunset Hills Subaru.
Like this Outback, perfect for dog people or cat people.
This Subaru Crosstrek is perfect for cat people. And dog people too.
At Sunset Hills Subaru. We're cat people and dog people buy Subarus.
And bird people too.
And all people too.
Not snake people. Snake people are weird.